So today I'm going to talk you that how we can learn 1,000 words every day. Guys, this is just a little bit harder because anything you're going to learn or any skills definitely needs some kind of a hard work and a little bit also smart work. With the combination of both hard work and the smart work will definitely work. So the very first thing and the actual thing is that you need to work hard because you are just going to get a skill and you are going to get something which is really very important for your language. So I'm talking about the everyday vocabulary, and within a day you are just going to learn 1,000 words, right? You heard it correct, because the trick and the method that I'm going to tell you, definitely it will need a kind of a hard work, and it's both smart work, but it is workable. So the very first thing that you have to be patient, and you have to have some kind of a patience. Patience is the key to success, right? And practice. You know lots of words, but you don't have the command over that thing, because all the words and all the vocabularies are around your mind and in your mind. But only the thing, the timing, the perfect timing is not, you are not able to get the timing, because timing is very important. Like in cricket, you know how to play the cricket and perfectly, but the very main thing on the crease and on the ground, that when you are just while playing, and when the ballers ball, and when you if your timing is not perfect, definitely all the shots will be missed. Otherwise it will not go to the appropriate place, like fours and sixes. So the timing is very important. The timing, in the same way, in the language also, the timing is perfect. If your timing is perfect, means to say, timing means to say that at the same time, at the appropriate time, you get the appropriate word for the appropriate situation. Like suppose you are just having the conversation with the people, and you are just standing, or you are in the situation which is really very different with the actual with the bookish knowledge. So definitely, if you don't have the perfect timing to catch the perfect word, to choose the perfect word for the English, and to speak in front of that people, and which is really appropriate for the situation. So I will just talk today that how can we learn 1,000 words every day. Nowadays we have got the internet connection, and most of the 99%, not 99, but I think approximately 90% people, they have got the internet connections in India right now. Maybe possible the percentage can be vary. You can search on the Wikipedia page. The very important thing is that we all have the internet access in our hands, and if we right now, if we are not able to learn, or learn any word, any language, any skill, so definitely it is our fault, because in the earlier time we did not have this much resources that right now we have. Like we have smartphones, we have internet connections, we have internet access, 2 GB, 1 GB data every day we are getting. Most of the people, they have the internet connection. Like you are watching this video, so it means definitely you have the data connection. So now the very good thing that, uh, without wasting the time, I just want you to show my screen so that you can just know the appropriate thing, the method, that how can you learn and how can you memorize the words and their uses, and how you can just use them in your language and in your common life. So let's take a tour on my screen.
So now we have come on our screen. I have come on my mobile screen, and I'm going to show you the trick. Suppose everybody has got the right now, everybody has got the smartphone, and every person has a smartphone. That means every person has the internet access, and every person has the internet access. It means that they have lots of content in English. If you are from basic level, from intermediate level, or from the advanced level English learner, so you every person has every person should practice this kind of a trick that I'm going to show you. So if you don't have the internet, in the case if you don't have internet access every time, or if you don't have the smartphones, so you need English newspaper or English content from the magazine, from your syllabus books, and from the story books. If you don't have the internet connection or a smartphone, then in that case what you will do, you will read that content and just mark that, and you need to search in the dictionary, but that would be a little bit complicated, because you will get bored. So firstly you need to cultivate the habit in yourself to read the longer time, because the reading is a very boring exercise. Most of the people, they really don't like it. So you need to have some patience. So now if you have the smartphone, I'm telling you, then you have to firstly do one exercise, I'm sorry, one work, which is very really important, that you need to download some news applications like Hindustan Times, Times of India, Times Now, or Daily Mail. Like I have got Daily Mail here, you can just check that out. And Hindustan Times application, I have got news application. So suppose now what you need to do, suppose you have that one of any application of news, so you just simply click on that and it will be opening. And as it will be opened, you will find many articles related to the news. So you can choose from your favorite categories, like from entertainment, from Bollywood news, from sport news, from crime news, from political news, from world news, from India news, from any a specific country or a specific area or a specific states. So firstly you need to find that article. Suppose the first article, I'm just going to check that out. Went into the rescue civilians, colonel major among 5 killed in action in Handwada. So there are many articles you will find in the applications related to the recent updates. Suppose I'm just clicking on that one article, and as I clicked on that article, I will find this kind of interface in the Hindustan Times. Suppose went into rescue. If you don't, suppose now, if you don't know the meaning of suppose, I'm sorry, rescue, so you need to simply do just copy that. Otherwise, if it is not copied, so just take a separate notebook and pen and just note down this word rescue. All right. So if you just are having that rescue, just wait. So if you don't know, if it is not copied rescue, then what you need to do, you need to take a separate notebook, and in the separate notebook what you have to do, you have to note that thing like rescue words. Suppose the rescue words is there. I'm supposed to switch on that brush so that I can just show you here, like rescue words. If you don't know the meaning of the rescue, so you need to just copy it from there. Otherwise you just note it down in the separate notebook and scroll it down. After scrolling it down, whatever word you are just getting the new word. Suppose Rashtriya Rifles, and the joint security team that he was leading had waited patiently for an hour after the last bullet was fired by the terrorists on Saturday evening. Then he decided to go in the encounter. So if you don't know the meaning of encounter, so what you need to do, you need to just note it down somewhere else. And then had started a couple of hours earlier, 3:30 p.m. on when a joint team of the Rashtriya Rifles and Kashmir Police surrounded. If you don't know the meaning of surrounded, so you just check out that, note it down somewhere, and again just go forward and read it. So what you need to simply do is just read it, and after reading that, you need to take the note of all the new words which you found while reading the newspaper or while reading that particular article. And after when you just finish reading one article, so what you need to do, you need to read, you need to go to this separate paper where you just note it down that all the words, new words which you don't know the meaning of that words, and then you just open your dictionary from your applications, you know, from your mobile phone. Like suppose I am just using the dictionary. Now one more word, one more thing you need to consider, and one more thing you need to keep in your mind, that if you're going to use the dictionary, so don't use Hindi dictionary, because Hindi dictionary will make you little bit lethargic. Whenever you just read the new meaning Hindi to Hindi or English to Hindi, definitely it will make you a little bit lethargic and lazy. So don't use that, because it will make your habit, like reading English to Hindi, because it is our traditional method. We used to use this thing, so now we need to change it. So make sure that you are using English to English dictionary. Now suppose the rescue words I just noted down, and I'm just going to search here rescue, RESCUE, rescue. I'm sorry, here just I typed and I found that in the list, and I just clicked. Now within few seconds I will get the result. Like rescue is a verb, and the past and present rescues, present participle rescuing, past and past participle rescued, means all the first, second and third form, and yes or yes using words rescues and ing also. And then the meaning to save from any violence, danger or evil. Otherwise the well trained, there are also, you will find the example, more example sentences. So as you are just doing it, the second exercise is that you need to find out the meaning of the words which you have noted down from the articles. And after noting down all the meanings from the article, you need to again go to the same article which you have read before, and again start reading all these things again. Why? Because it will make sure that the first time you just read that article for the new words, and the second time you are reading is after getting the meaning of all that, because both the things you cannot do simultaneously. So we needed to do that. So again read it, and if you find the word which you are get stuck, so go to that separate notebook where you just noted down all the meaning of the words, and just take a look on that, and then try to think that yes, this is the meaning of that word, and now here the sense of that meaning is this. So went in the rescue to civilians means you got to know that um, a team went to the rescue to the civilians, to the civilians were in the danger, so the team went there and to save the civilians from the danger. So it was clear now. So it will by this way you will find 1,000 words in a day, 1,000 words every day if you are doing. And the patience is the key to success. Again, I'm just telling you, because it is not the one day exercise. You need to be in the habit of, you need to cultivate the habit to read that, because if you're not in the habit of reading longer time, definitely a time will come that you will quit. So you have, and you should have that kind of patience. I hope that you find this video very important and very useful. So please hit the like button and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you will find the new video notification into your email box directly. Thank you so much and have a ball. Bye bye.